Dare to believe in your power. You are capable of achieving greatness. Welcome to the world of affirmations. If you're wondering what affirmations are, they are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeatedly tell yourself something and truly believe it, your mind has a way of making it happen. It's a kind of self-fulfilling prophecy. Think of affirmations as the seeds of your future. Just as a tiny seed grows into a mighty tree, your affirmations have the power to shape your life. They can help you cultivate a positive mindset, rewire your thoughts, and ultimately, shape your actions. Let's imagine a person named Alex. Alex was once bogged down by negative self-talk, stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and fear. He felt like he was running on a hamster wheel, always hustling but never progressing. But then Alex discovered the power of affirmations. He began to tell himself, "I am capable, I am confident, I am successful." He repeated these affirmations every day, and over time, something incredible happened. Slowly but surely, Alex began to change. His mindset shifted from self-doubt to self-belief. His actions followed suit. He began to take risks, chase opportunities, and step out of his comfort zone. The more he affirmed his capabilities and strengths, the more he began to embody them. He transformed from a man stuck in a rut to a man living his dreams. This is the power of affirmations. They are not just words, they are a force, a tool, a catalyst for change. Affirmations have the power to transform your mindset, your actions, and your life. They can help you overcome obstacles, chase your dreams, and become the best version of yourself. Remember, positive self-talk is a powerful tool. Harness it, use it to your advantage, and watch as your life begins to change in ways you never thought possible. Remember, you are the architect of your reality. Every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. Let's delve into a story that beautifully illustrates this idea. Once upon a time, there lived a woman named Lily. She was a regular person just like you and me, living an ordinary life. Lily was content, but deep down, she yearned for more. She wanted to break free from the mundanity of her existence and truly live a life of purpose and passion. One day, Lily encountered a life-altering challenge. She lost her job, a job that she had held for over 20 years. It was a devastating blow. She was filled with fear and uncertainty. But amidst this adversity, Lily decided to take control of her situation instead of letting it control her. She began to use affirmations, positive statements that she would repeat to herself daily. These affirmations included phrases like, "I am capable, I am resilient, and I will overcome." She repeated these affirmations with conviction, believing in their power to transform her mindset and her life. As the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, something magical happened. Lily began to see changes in herself. She was no longer the timid, uncertain woman that she once was. She was stronger, more confident, and more driven than ever before. She started applying for jobs she previously thought were out of her reach, and to her surprise, she started getting calls for interviews. One day, she received a job offer from a company that she had always admired. It was a position that was far better than her previous job. She was overjoyed. Lily's story is a testament to the power of affirmations. It was her positive affirmations that helped her overcome her challenge, transform her life, and achieve her dreams. And so, remember, your challenges don't define you, your response does. It's how we respond to these challenges that truly matters. Like Lily, we can use affirmations to overcome adversity, foster personal growth, and ultimately create the life we desire. Your words have the power to shape your reality. As we journey through this exploration of affirmations, it's crucial to understand that this is not just a concept, but a practice. A practice that, when incorporated into your daily routine, can lead to profound changes in your life. Think of your day as an empty canvas, and your affirmations as the vibrant colors that bring it to life. You can choose to paint your day with positivity, success, and growth, or you can let it remain blank, devoid of intention and direction. The choice is yours. There are endless ways to incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. One of the most effective times to practice affirmations is in the morning. As you wake up, even before you step out of bed, take a few moments to affirm your intentions for the day. This sets the tone for the day ahead, infusing it with positivity and purpose. Another ideal time is at night before sleep. Reflect on your day and affirm your achievements and improvements. This helps in cementing the positive experiences of the day and sets a positive trajectory for the next. Affirmations can also be practiced during breaks throughout the day. Whether you are taking a walk in the park, enjoying your coffee break, or simply sitting in silence, use these moments to affirm your aspirations and reiterate your intentions. The places where you practice affirmations also matter. Choose spaces that are calm and comfortable, where you can focus without distractions. This could be your bedroom, a quiet corner in your home, or even a serene spot in nature. Remember, consistency in practicing affirmations is key. The more you affirm, the deeper these words seep into your subconscious, and the more they influence your thoughts, behaviors, and actions. It's like watering a seed daily, nurturing it until it grows into a strong, flourishing plant. So let's get started on this transformative journey. Embrace the power of affirmations and watch as your words start to shape your reality. Remember, you are the artist of your life. Every word you utter is a stroke of paint on the canvas of your existence. Start shaping your reality today with the power of your words. Visualize your success and it will come to you. That's right, we're delving into the realm of visualization, a powerful tool that goes hand in hand with affirmations. Visualization is not a new concept. It's been used by successful individuals from all walks of life, from athletes preparing for a big game to musicians before a grand performance. It's the art of creating vivid mental images of what you want to achieve and immersing yourself in that reality. It's like creating a movie in your mind where you are the director, the writer, and the star. Think of visualization as the fuel that propels your affirmations. Affirmations are your destination, and visualization is the vehicle that takes you there. When you combine the two, you create a powerful synergy that amplifies your ability to manifest your desires. But how do you harness the power of visualization? It's simpler than you might think. Start by finding a quiet place where you can focus. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Now imagine your goal, your aspiration, your affirmation. Don't just see it, immerse yourself in it. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. If your affirmation is about confidence, visualize yourself standing tall, speaking assertively, and feeling self-assured. Picture the expressions on people's faces as they admire your newfound confidence. Hear the sound of your own voice, steady and strong. The key to effective visualization is to involve all your senses. The more vivid and detailed your mental image, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious mind believes in the reality of your vision, it works towards making it a reality in your physical world. Remember, visualization is not a one-time event, it's a practice. Incorporate it into your daily routine. Use it to reinforce your affirmations, and watch as your life begins to align with your vision. In the words of Napoleon Hill, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. So visualize your success, believe in it, and then prepare to achieve it. See it, believe it, achieve it. You are on a journey to becoming the best version of yourself. These words aren't just a statement, they're a promise, a commitment you've made to yourself. You've embarked on a path that might not always be easy, but one that will certainly be worth it. This journey you're on, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about speed, it's about endurance. It's about staying committed to your affirmation practice, even when the results aren't immediately visible. Why? Because change, real lasting change, takes time. It's like planting a seed. You don't see the fruits of your labor right away. You water it, you nurture it, and with time and patience it grows. Your affirmation practice is that seed. You're planting the seeds of positivity, of self-belief, of transformation. Every step forward you take, no matter how small, is progress. It's another brick in the foundation of the person you're becoming. It's another step closer to the best version of yourself. And remember, it's okay to stumble, to falter. It's okay to have days where you doubt, where you falter. But it's not okay to stop. Because every stumble, every misstep is a lesson, a chance to grow, a chance to become stronger. Stay committed to your affirmation practice. Keep planting those seeds of positivity, of self-belief. Keep watering them with your words, with your actions. And with time, you'll see those seeds grow. You'll see yourself grow, transform, become the person you've always wanted to be. So keep moving forward. Keep taking those steps no matter how small. Keep believing in yourself, in your potential, in your ability to transform. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Keep moving forward. You're on a journey to becoming the best version of yourself. And every step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to that best version. So keep stepping, keep moving, keep growing. You've got this.